Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. I just figured I'd come outside and show you this beautiful day. Okay, let's turn it and span it a little bit. Look around. See the trees, see the wind blowing. It's a beautiful day. I'm not going to the beach. It's not really my thing. But I just wanted to talk to you today about family. I wanted to say that my relationship with my sister is growing on a daily basis. We're having the best of times now in our 50s. And we reconnected and we make it a point every week to talk to each other. We make it a point to listen to each other, to know what's going on in each other's life. And it's part of my day every single day to say how grateful I am to have a sister like my sister Juanita. She lifts me up, she encourages me, and she really is my role model. So I just wanted to tell you that if you have people in your life that matter, if you have people in your life that inspire you, if you have people in your life that you love and care for, take a moment each day to say thank you to them. Take a moment to call them and let them know that they mean the world to you while they're here, not while they're gone. A lot of people wait until it's just really too late to tell people how you feel. So I guess that's my message today. Let people know that they matter, okay? Thank you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.